In our previous tutorial we learned how to create a new page. In this tutorial, we will show you how to set the featured image in the Gutenberg editor in WordPress with just a few clicks. You can create a page that has a featured image with little effort. The featured image, also called the post thumbnail per the WordPress Codex, is the main representative image of a post or page. A featured image is very important for your website posts and pages, because this is most often what will show when shared on social media, or other platforms. It will also become the image used to represent the post when a specific theme may call for the featured image. For example, if your website theme has a section to show multiple images representing posts, then the featured image is the image used for that request. Now then, follow our tutorial below in order to learn how to set the featured image in the Gutenberg editor. 1. Log in to your WordPress Administrator dashboard. 2. To add a new page to your WordPress site, find the Pages menu in the WordPress Dashboard Navigation menu, then click Add New. 3. Open or create a page so that you can set the image. Four. In the right-hand column you will see the option labeled Featured Image. Click on it to open the dialog box if it's not already open. 5. Click on the link labeled Set Featured Image. 6. Select an image from your media library or upload an image from your computer. Click on the button labeled Select in order to select your image. Seven. Click on Preview and select Desktop, or whatever devices you are writing your page from. 8. Click Publish in order to save your settings, and then view the page. Congratulations, you have successfully added a featured image.